Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be doing a spring inspired makeup tutorial. So to get started, I'm going to be priming my eyes with this Maybelline Cover Stick in Fair, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my eyelids and then blending that out with an e.l.f. blending brush. And then I'm going to go over it with a beauty blender just to make sure it didn't crease or anything. I didn't tell you guys, but I am setting it with an e.l.f. setting powder, and then we're going to move straight on to the eyeshadow, and I wanted to go for an orange look for spring, so I'm just like packing on this orange color and then blending it out. And then I'm going to go in with a darker orange, sorry it's not focused, and then just like blend it out with a big brush. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now I am wetting this little eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be packing on this orange shimmery color on. For primer, I am using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I am just putting that mostly in the middle of my face, but I try to get it everywhere because I don't like the foundation to be on my face. But I really like this primer. It's really nice. After we're done with that, I'm going to be using two foundations today. And I'm just going to put a lot of that on. And I really like that one mixed with the Wet n Wild one because, I don't know, I really like the finish of it. But I do not like the Milani one by itself. So now I'm just taking the e.l.f. brush and I'm just blending that out. Now I'm just going to be going over that with a beauty blender. And then after that, I'm going to be taking the same concealer I used earlier and going to go under my eyes and just highlight, I guess, and conceal. Oh, and I did use another one. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. And then of course I'm just going to be blending that out, and then I'm going to set my entire face after I'm done with that with the e.l.f. setting powder. This Lancome blush palette. Use the blush. I think I've tried it and I think I like it. Now I am just putting on some highlighter, and I'm gonna be putting that on, I don't know, right there, and then on my nose and my Cupid's bow. Now, to finish off the eyeshadow, I'm taking the same orange colors and putting that under my eyes, and then I'm taking the same shimmery shade and putting that in the inner corners. Now I am curling my eyelashes to prepare them for mascara, and I'm going to be using two different ones. This first one I like to use to lengthen my eyelashes, and I don't do too much of it. And then the other one I use for volume. Volume. For lip gloss, I'm going to be using the Giorgio Armani one that I just did a video on. I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. And you could do a more peachy color, which I totally should have, but this one was just pretty. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!